definite integration, we will see one more property which is making the things very easier for us. The property is minus a to a fx dx. It will be 2 into integration 0 to a fx dx if fx is even, and it will be directly written as 0 if fx is odd function. How can we check whether the function is even or odd? We just find f minus x. If f minus x is coming out to be equal to fx, it is even. If it is coming out to be negative of fx, it is odd. If it is not coming either positive or negative of fx, it is neither even nor odd. Second property we will see 0 to 2a fx dx is 2 into 0 to a fx dx if f to a minus x is equal to fx, and it will be 0 if f to a minus x is minus of fx. We see how these properties are used. First question I am taking integration sine to the power 5x dx minus pi to pi. Firstly, I have to check whether it is even or odd. Why I am checking? Because it is in the format of minus a to a. So wherever you see minus a to a, you firstly go for checking whether it is even or odd function. So I am finding f minus x, it is coming out to be minus sine 5x. So it is minus of fx. So it is odd. So we can directly write the answer to be 0. Another question we see modulus of sine x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Again you see it is from minus a to a format. So we have to check whether it is even or odd. If we find f minus x, it will be modulus of sine minus x, which is equal to modulus of sine x. So it is coming out to be even function. So this can be written as 0 to pi by 2, 2 into modulus of sine x. Modulus of sine x, we know that sine is positive in first quadrant 0 to pi by 2. So it is actually 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine x, which we can easily integrate and put the values and get the answer easily. Another question we are seeing minus 1 to 1 log 2 minus x by 2 plus x dx. So as it is minus a to a, we will check whether even or odd. We will find f minus x, which is coming out to be log 2 plus x by 2 minus x. We just see this is just reciprocal of original question log 2 minus x by 2 plus x. So if we just write log 2 minus x by 2 plus x to the power minus 1 and we apply property log m to the power n is n log m. So it is coming out to be minus log 2 minus x by 2 plus x. So it is minus of fx. So odd, we can directly write the answer to be 0. And very important problem we will see 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. This is very representative property. Okay. So you just see if I apply the property f a minus x, because it is 0 to a, we have earlier discussed, it is coming out to be 0 to pi by 2 log cos x. On application of the property 0 to a, we just go for adding both the i's. It is coming out to be 2i. So it is log sin x plus log cos x, which is going to give you log sin x into cos x. Why? Because log m plus log n is log m into n. By applying that property, it is coming out to be log sin x into cos x. Further, if we multiply sin x into cos x by 2 and divide it by 2, it will be log sin 2x minus log 2. Applying the property log m by n is log m minus log n. We know that log 2 is constant that can be taken outside the integral sign, and dx on integration will just give you x, and on applying the upper and lower limit, it is minus pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus pi by 2 into log 2. Now we have to take care of log sine 2x dx 0 to pi by 2. If we put 2x is equal to t, it is coming out to be 2 dx is equal to dt. So changing the question in the terms of t, it is coming out to be log sine t dt, and limits are changing accordingly because 0 to pi by 2 was the limit for x. Now we have to find the limits for t. That means if we put x is equal to 0, t is 0. We put x is equal to pi by 2, t is pi. So it is coming out to be 0 to pi log sine t dt. Now we know the property, if f2a minus x is equal to fx, then we can write the thing as 2 into 0 to a. Here 2a is pi, so a is pi by 2 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sine t dt. On application of that property, that is 0 to 2a fx dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a fx dx if f2a minus x is equal to fx. Here f2a minus x means f pi minus x, and we know sine pi minus x is sine x. So log sine t is remaining as log sine t on writing f2a minus x. So on applying this thing, it is coming out to be 1 by 2 into 2 0 to pi by 2 log sine t dt, which we can write again as I, and we will get 2i is equal to I minus pi by 2 log 2. So I is minus pi by 2 log 2.